Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking Pass. Today we will make delicious and spicy achari chicken. So before starting this, please make sure that you have already subscribed to our channel Cooking Pass and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any new notifications. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So first we are going to marinate the chicken. We have taken 1 kg of chicken. In this we will add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we will mix these all ingredients properly. And then we are going to leave this for 30 minutes. Cover this with a lid and keep it aside. Meanwhile, in a karai, we will dry roast the panch foron. We have taken 3 teaspoons of it. The name panch foron means 5 spices. Please check description box for further details. These are the main spices we are going to use in this delicious achari chicken. After dry roast this, we are going to grind them into a fine powder. Cover it and keep it aside for the later use. Next, we have taken 2 medium-sized onions cut into fine slices, 4 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of ginger paste, handful of chopped coriander leaves, 4 slitted green chilies, 4 pieces of garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. For the tempering, we have taken a teaspoon of panch foron and 1 dry red chili. Heat the karai and add some mustard oil, in which we are going to add half teaspoon of hing, dry red chili followed by and a teaspoon of panch foron. Saute this for few seconds in medium flame. Now we are going to add minced garlic and sliced onion followed by. Saute this well in medium flame until the onions are light brown in color. Next, we are adding half teaspoon of sugar into this. It helps onion to be caramelized fast. Onions are gradually changing its color. Meanwhile, we are adding a teaspoon of ginger paste into this. Saute this very well in medium flame. Next, we are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder into this, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder followed by. Add salt as per taste. Mix all of this properly. Now add the marinated chicken pieces into this. Saute this well for 5 minutes in high flame. Now we will add the tomato ketchup into this. Mix it all together very well. Saute this for another 5 minutes in medium flame. In the meantime, we will add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix this and saute it well. Saute this until oil releases from its sides. Oil starts releasing from its sides. So now we will add half teaspoon of coriander powder into this. Mix it all together very well. We will not use much water in this recipe. So now cover this and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Open the lid and stir it in between. Chicken will release water, so stir it nicely and cover it until the chicken is cooked perfectly. After 7 minutes, we can see our chicken is cooked perfectly. Gravy is also thickened. So now we will add the garlic cloves into this. Next, we are adding some chopped coriander leaves followed by. Mix it all together very well. Next, we are going to add the Panchforon powder, which we have dry roast and grinded before. Give it a nice mix. Next, we are adding slitted green chilies into this. Mix it well. You can add chilies as per your requirement. If masala dries up, add little water at a time and mix it nicely. Make sure chicken is cooked perfectly. Achari chicken is almost done now. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice into this. Now switch off the flame and give it a quick mix. Achari chicken is now done and ready. But before serving, cover this for 5 minutes like this. After 5 minutes, transfer this into a serving bowl and enjoy. You can serve it with paratha or tandoori roti. Also, it can go perfectly with jeera rice as well. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to Cooking Buzz. Try this at home and don't forget to share your experience with us. To get more such delicious recipes, stay tuned.